Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to place an order on Doordash. So first of all, you need to open up Doordash app on your mobile device. And then from the home screen, if you know what type of cuisine you want, you can use the Doordash filter feature to look at only certain types of restaurants. For instance, if you're looking for fast food or drinks or maybe snacks, you can browse by categories to get your desired results. You can further filter your results based on discount offers, customer ratings, pricing, delivery time, and more. Once you've chosen a restaurant, simply tap on it, and then browse its menu and select the items you want to order. Scroll down and you can navigate through different categories like popular items, main courses, desserts, and so on. In case you want to switch menu, simply tap on this icon in the top left corner. A pop-up will come up. From here, simply tap right over here. Again, a pop-up will come up. Over here, you can select your desired option and then browse through the menu. Now to order an item, simply tap on it. You might see options to customize your order, like choosing toppings or specifying cooking preferences. After making your choices, tap on Add to Cart. You can continue browsing and adding items until you have selected everything you want. Once you're done with that, tap the View Cart option to review the items in your cart. You can even adjust quantities, remove items, or make other changes at this stage. From here, you can enable this toggle to include utensils and condiments. Also, if you have a valid promo code, you can enter it over here to receive discounts or special offers. Once you're satisfied with your order, tap on the Continue button at the bottom. Once you're on this screen, choose a desired delivery time. And if you have specific delivery instructions, you can add them in this designated field. After that, select your preferred payment method. You can use credit/debit cards or digital wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay. Moreover, you can select a tip for your dasher. Once you're done with all this, review your order details, including the items, quantities, delivery address, and payment method, and then tap on Place Order at the bottom of the screen. After placing the order, you'll receive updates on its status. You can track when the restaurant accepts the order, when it's being prepared, and when the delivery driver picks it up. Well, that's how you place an order on Doordash. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.